How to fix DoorDash won't let me redeem gift card. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your DoorDash is not letting you redeem your gift card, there might be a couple of reasons why. Let's go ahead and check it out. So first and foremost, check for the expiration date of your DoorDash gift card. Yes, each of the gift card consists of the expiration date. If the card is expired, DoorDash will simply not redeem it. Secondly, always check for the money value of the gift card. If you are extending the limit of the gift card, it will most likely won't redeem. Then make sure you have also verified your billing address as well as your account. If not, check the redeem code. Each gift card consists of the redeem code. Always ensure you have entered it correctly. If it is valid, you'll be able to redeem it. If not, you will be notified as invalid gift card. So always make sure to buy a gift card from a legitimate website. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.